I've been analyzing Silverados for 15 years, and I know a mechanic who has been working on trucks for 25 years. He told me something fascinating. There are 5 signs, 5 things I look for. When I see all 5, I know that Silverado will outlast everything else on the road. If your Silverado has these 5 signs, you have something special. Subscribe now. Comment how many signs your truck has. Let's find out if yours will outlast everything. The mechanic sees hundreds of Silverados every year. Some barely make it to 150,000 miles. Others, 400, 500,000. Original motor, original transmission. What's the difference? He says it's not luck. It's not even the year alone. It's 5 specific signs. When I see all 5, I tell the owner, keep this truck. You'll never find another like it. Today, you're going to learn these 5 signs. Check your Silverado as we go. First sign, mature motor design. The mechanic explains, certain 5.3 generations, they're proven, not experimental, proven. What does that mean? It means the motor had at least 3 to 5 years in production, all bugs worked out, all improvements applied. Your Silverado has a mature motor if it's not first year of new generation. It's not last year before major change. It's in the middle of production run. Motors in years 2 through 7 of their generation, those are the sweet spot. That's sign number 1. Check your Silverado. Is your motor in that sweet spot? That's sign 1. Second sign, proven transmission. The mechanic says, transmission makes or breaks longevity, period. I look for transmissions that have been tested in the real world by hundreds of thousands of trucks. Your Silverado has a proven transmission if same transmission used for multiple years, known for reaching 200, 300,000 miles, not brand new designs still being figured out. 4L60, 6L80, 8L90. These, proven. When I see these in certain years, sign number 2. Check yours. Does your transmission have that reputation? Sign 2. Third sign, consistent maintenance history. This one's about you, the owner. The mechanic explains, I can tell in 30 seconds if an owner takes care of their truck. What he looks for, oil changed regularly, not when the light comes on, regularly. Filters replaced on time, air, fuel, cabin. Fluids checked consistently, trans, diff, coolant. Owners who do this, their trucks last forever. Owners who skip, trucks die early. It's not about money spent, it's about consistency. 5,000-mile oil changes better than 10,000 every time. Check your history. Have you been consistent? That's sign 3. Fourth sign, original major components still strong. The mechanic says, when I see high miles with original motor, original transmission, that truck is built different. What this means is original motor is still running strong. Original transmission shifting smooth. No major rebuilds or replacements. If your Silverado has 150,000, 200,000 miles, and motor and transmission are original, that's rare. That's sign number 4. Because trucks that need rebuilds at 100,000, they won't make it to 500,000. Ever. Check yours. Are your major components original? Sign 4 is huge. Fifth sign, an owner who keeps it. This might sound strange, but the mechanic says it's the biggest sign. Owners who plan to keep their trucks, they take care different. They think long-term. What he notices? Owner talks about reaching 300,000. Owner has no plans to trade. Owner fixes problems right away. Owner invests in the truck. When an owner tells me, I'm keeping this forever, I know that truck will outlast everything else because the owner is committed. Trucks with owners planning to trade, they cut corners, they skip maintenance, they let problems wait. Are you committed to keeping yours? That's sign number 5, the biggest one. 5 signs your Silverado will outlast everything. 1. Mature motor design. 2. Proven transmission. 3. Consistent maintenance. 4. Original components still strong. 5. An owner who keeps it. The mechanic told me, trucks with all 5? They're the ones I see at 400, 500,000 miles every time.
Now, I want to know, how many signs does your Silverado have? Comment, my year has number out of 5 signs. If you have all 5, you have something special, something rare. Like this video, share it with Silverado owners. Subscribe for daily Silverado truth. Tomorrow at 8 p.m., next video showing you more signs your truck is special. You don't just have a Silverado, you have one that will outlast everything else. See you tomorrow, Silverado family.